All right, let's have a look at upgrading BimlFlex. If you already have a BimlFlex instance running, you double click the BimlFlex installer. Again, read the license agreement, hit agree. It's going to check for a valid BimlFlex license, which you should have if you're upgrading. It's going to auto select all the components that needs to be upgraded. This is important because we do not want any of the components to be incompatible or have an incompatible version. If you have an existing BimlFlex database and you are the administrator, you need to upgrade your existing database. If, however, your administrator has already upgraded your BimlFlex database, you can leave this option unselected. But I'm going to select this because I want to upgrade my BimlFlex database. I click Next. Again, leave these checked because we need to upgrade all of the components that you have installed. Go to the next screen. Again, just click through these first couple. When you get to the BimlFlex databases, this is where you will need to change your data source if you don't have it on. I have it installed in my localhost. You change your BimlFlex catalog. Again, I have mine changed. My database is called BimlFlex. If you've changed the name of your BimlFlex, you can test it and add it to your installer. Please be sure to back up your database prior to upgrading. There is no reverse engineering of the database upgrade, so make sure you have a backup of your database. You do the same for the BimlFlex catalog, the BimlCatalog. You add that, and you add as many as you want to upgrade. So if you have one on your development server, one on your test server, one on your production server, you can upgrade those all at the same time, or you can upgrade them at any point you want. Hit Next. It'll tell you all the components you need to be upgrading, and then hit Update. You'll get a dialog like this. Hit Yes, and it'll go through the upgrade process for you. Once the upgrade is finished running, you'll get an image like this saying that upgrade is considered. You click Finish, and now you're good to go, and you can use BimlFlex. Thank you.